Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be a Krishna Janmashtami special vlog. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys all the things that I'm going to be doing on the occasion of Krishna Janmashtami. So we celebrate Krishna Janmashtami every year and usually we celebrate it, at the evening itself. So I actually wanted to celebrate it, this year in the morning, but I couldn't sadly because I had school, so I had to attend my school. So I came back from my school at probably 1:30 or 1:40 in the afternoon, and yes guys, my offline school has started. So I came back from my school and then I had my lunch, and then I also had to post a video, so I was editing that video and I posted that video and it's already 6:30 now. So I'm going to be starting with all the festivities. So I'm a little bit late to start the vlog, but I'm sure it's not too late. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So you guys can see my mom is putting rangoli over here. So she looks beautiful, right? So she's putting rangoli. Her rangoli skills are really good, you guys. So you can see this is how the decoration and everything looks like. We did the same for Varamahalakshmi festival, so we kept the same for Krishna Janmashtami as well. And this is the murti which I bought yesterday and it looks so beautiful, right? It looks so divine. I really love it. Look at our Radha Krishna, so beautiful, so divine. In here I have made this cute little basket in which I have kept our little Krishna with a little bit of flowers. It's like a theme basically, wherein Krishna's father Vasudeva, he will be carrying Krishna on the river Yamuna, right? So he will be using a basket to carry Krishna. So it's like just like a theme, and you can see there is water also in this little Krishna. So it's just like a theme which I did. So this is how it looks like currently. So we need to still add some jewelries for the Krishna, and I need to keep the photo frames and everything, and also we need to add some fresh flowers. We need to do so many things, and also we need to offer fruits and flowers and everything. So there's a lot of things to go on. So we're currently in the process. So guys, I'm back to the kitchen and I have fixed the lighting now. Actually it was a little bit dark when I filmed the previous video, previous shot, but now it's fine. So I honestly had a lot of fun putting the rangoli and everything, but I can't do it a lot because I'm not perfect at it and I don't want to ruin it. So my mom's gonna complete the rangoli while I'm gonna be preparing the kheer. So I actually soaked the rice for about 20 minutes. So we had to soak it for 20 minutes and I think 20 minutes are about to get over. So now I'm going to be starting to prepare the kheer. Our kheer is being prepared over here and it looks so delicious already. So it's still being prepared. So yeah. So our kheer is finally ready and piping hot, you guys. This is how it looks like. Doesn't it look delicious? I mean, it looks delicious to me. I haven't tasted it yet, but I'm sure it tastes delicious. And look at this cute vessel. It's a ceramic vessel I got it for making kheer itself. And today I'm going to be using this and it's looking so cute. So yeah.
So this is jasmine garland. So now I am putting jasmine garland for both Radha Krishna.
So everything is pretty much ready, you guys. The kheer, the rangoli and all the decorations, everything is ready. But there are a lot of preparations which needs to be still done, which I'm not going to be vlogging because it's a little bit difficult for me to, vlog and also, do the work and everything. So I will do all the preparations for the puja and then I'll meet you guys. So you guys can see my mom is done putting the rangoli and it looks so beautiful. Very gorgeous, right? I'm absolutely in love with it. And you can see I have put some little Krishna footprints over here, which leads to my home. So yeah, you can see this is the entry of the door, and my mom has put such a beautiful rangoli. So here my mom has put, near the puja room I have put this is the puja room. So here I have put the rangoli. So this flute rangoli is also put by myself, and you can see this is how the final arrangement looks like. So here we have kept some fruit offerings. Here we have kept all the arshana kunkuma and everything, and here we have our kheer. Here is some butter. This is butter, and this is some cotton in which I have put, for a pot, just to enact like butter. And here is our little Krishna in basket, and here is some cotton butter again, and finally here is our Lord Krishna, and look how beautiful he looks, and look how beautiful Shri Radha looks. And here we have another Radha Krishna. You can see this is also beautifully decorated. So yeah, and here we have some chawal, and here we have our Laddu Gopal, and you can see this is the total arrangement which we have done. Looks so beautiful and gorgeous, right? I mean, I'm in love with it. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys this photo frame. So this is also Radha Krishna, so I have kept it over here in the side, and these two are some decorative pieces, and you can see some flowers. And over here in the corner also we have kept a vase type of a thing, inside which we have kept a lamp. It's a diya. So we're gonna light it, all of it, and we're gonna do this. We're gonna start the puja now. Isn't the overall look so beautiful? It looks so divine, and the background and everything completely matches, and it looks so divine. I'm absolutely in love with it. So I have this diya in my hand, from which I'm going to light all the other diyas. So yeah, let's start. I'm lighting this corner diya.
राधे राधे।
Okay guys, so that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this Janmashtami special vlog, and I hope it added some values to your life. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then do not forget to like this video. Also share it with your family and friends, and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and hit the bell icon for quicker updates. Do follow me on my Instagram, and yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Until then, love yourself, be safe and be happy.